Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you that how can you hide or unhide apps in your iPhone. So let's start up the process. So let's suppose if you want to hide Snapchat, press on its icon. Now here you can see second option, require Face ID. Tap on this option. Now here you can see three options. Tap on second option, hide and require Face ID. Now here you can see hide app option at the bottom of the screen. If you want to hide Snapchat, tap on this option. Now here you can see your hidden apps. If you want to unhide this again, press on it. Here you can see last option, add to home screen. Tap on this option if you want to unhide Snapchat. Now tap on second option, unhide app. Now here you can see Snapchat again. If you have any question about the whole process, let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos.